everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make crispy kale chips. Also, I'm gonna be telling you which kale tastes the best. Kale can be eaten in many ways, like raw in salads, stir-fried, steamed, sautéed, or even baked into crisps, which I'm about to show you. It's also delicious when deep fried. Yes, it is delicious, but when you make deep fried kale chips, make sure you dry the kale thoroughly. Otherwise, it's gonna be a mess. I made a mess a couple months ago, so please be careful. Anyways, today's kale chips are a great substitute for potato chips because, you don't feel guilty about having a lot of chips. For today's comparison, I've prepared 3 kinds of kale, which are curly kale, Lacinato kale, and red kale. I chose them because they are quite common in the United States. You can buy them pretty much anywhere, I think, like at the grocery store or the farmer's market. Okay, now let me explain how to make crispy kale chips. First of all, wash each kale thoroughly to remove bugs and dirt. And after that, pre-stem them out. So simply remove the leaves from the thick stems. You can use your hands or you can use a knife. Well, but I don't think you need a knife, but if you prefer. And after that, wash them again to make sure that there is no dirt nor bugs. And tear them into bite-sized pieces, like small pieces, and dry them out. So you can leave them for a while, or you can pat them with paper towel. You can even use a salad spinner. So anyways, be fine. After that, lay them on a baking sheet and drizzle some extra virgin olive oil and sprinkle some sea salt. And if you prefer, you can of course use a black pepper, Cajun pepper, nutmeg, any kind. As you can see, toast with your hands or a tongue like me, but I recommend using your hands because it's much easier to do. Also, ensure that each kale chip is coated in oil. And spread kale into a single layer on the baking sheet or baking pan. That's it. It's time to bake. So bake it for about 10 minutes and take it out and rotate the baking pan and flip pieces and put it back again. Lower the heat to 230 Fahrenheit and bake it for another 10 minutes or so. And after it's done, leave it for a couple minutes in the oven. And your crispy kale chips are ready. Did you hear the sound? Do you like the sound? I do like the sound. That sounds really crispy and crunchy. So now let's have a bite. I tasted a Lacinato. It was delicious, and now I'm tasting red kale. The chip was a little thinner than Lacinato, and it was good too. And the last one is curly kale. The thickness of the chip is between Lacinato and red kale. And it has nutty flavor. So overall, I like the red kale the best because it's the sweetest of the three. And then Lacinato was actually the bitterest of the three. If you can, I recommend preparing like 3 kinds and make 3 kinds of chips at the same time because you can taste bitter, sweeter, or milder, and you can choose whatever you like, and it's fun to do. So please try.